Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two espresso machines, right? The Breville Barista Touch and the Jura E8. Big price difference, right off the bat.
Huge. The Breville is around $800, and the Jura is like $2,500. What's accounting for that?
Well, the Jura is marketed as a super-automatic espresso machine, meaning it's even more hands-off than the Breville. It includes a glass milk container, so it's ready to go right out of the box.
So push-button everything?
Pretty much. The Jura boasts a professional aroma grinder that they claim gives you 12% more aroma. They are saying that the preheating system guarantees the ideal temperature right from the first cup. It also uses an intelligent algorithm to learn your favorite drinks.
Interesting. The Breville also has an integrated grinder, though, right?
It does. A conical burr grinder with dose control. And it has a thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds. It also has a touchscreen.
So is the Jura really worth 3 times the price?
That's the big question, isn't it? The Jura has a slightly smaller display, 2.8 inches to the Breville's touchscreen. The Jura focuses on ease of use with AI learning. Based on customer reviews, the Jura can be expensive to maintain. Filters and cleaning tablets are a must. The Breville is more about giving you control. It has programmable settings that you can customize to your taste.
Okay, so the Breville is for someone who wants to tinker, and the Jura is for someone who wants convenience and is willing to pay for it?
Exactly. Oh, and the Breville weighs a hefty 21.8 pounds, while the Jura is listed at only 1 pound, which must be wrong. It is probably closer to the dimensions that are listed, 24.2 x 18 by 18.3 inches.
Good catch. So it really comes down to budget and how much control you want over your coffee, it seems.
Precisely. And how much you value automation. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.